Hello. In this session, I want to show you how to use SAS as a data miner to run logistic regression. The task we're going to look at is to try and predict whether someone will frequent restaurants or not based on that person's annual income. The scenario, we have data on individuals, and their income is shown in thousands of dollars, and a binary outcome variable that depicts whether that person frequents restaurants or not. Now, how do we run this logistic regression? The data is already saved as a CSV file, and what I need to do is I need to run SAS data miner to import this data in, and then run regression, the logistic regression, and then I'd like to also see some plots. Alright, let's get started. To run the program or to run SAS miner, you need the JNLP file that we had downloaded earlier. So we need to go ahead and run it. It'll take a few seconds to load. Just waiting. Okay, here we are. Let's log in. We have enterprise miner running. Let's create a new project, and it's going to be saved on the server. Let me just call it logistic regression. Next. Alright, here we have it. We need to create a new diagram. The new diagram is basically where we will set up our import and regression. Alright, so then we had to import the data in first. So file import. Click on import file. My computer, browse, and let's go to my folder. I find my CSV file and open it. Alright, let's go ahead and set up our variables. Income is input, and frequent restaurants is going to be our target, and it is a binary, and click OK. Next step is to do the regression model, and it should be under model. Drag and drop it on the canvas. Link these two up. And notice it has already automatically selected logistic regression as the regression type, and it's going to use the logit function. That is fine with us, and there's nothing else. There's no changes to here, so just go ahead and run it. Earlier I had run this logistic regression in Excel and got some results, and the results was something like this. The regression result was the logit equals negative 9.632 plus coefficient 0.3608 times x, and that's what we hope to find in SAS output also. Still running. Alright, we have the results. Now it's run, so let's take a look at the results. The results will have some analysis, screens, as well as lots of different statistics, but we are currently interested only in the intercept and the coefficient, and let's try and find it in the results. Okay, now let's scroll down here. Here's our output. Right at the very bottom, I believe, is where we have okay, results of the regression equation. There it is. Analysis of maximum likelihood estimates. That's what we do when we do logistic regression. So intercept is negative 9.6316 and the coefficient is 0.3608, which is the same as what we had seen earlier using Excel. Alright, now how do we do a chart of this data? And so let me just close this for now, and let's go back to the, I would like to graph it, so I will use explore multiplot. The multiplot tool will allow me to create scatterplots and any other type of plot I want. I want to see the S-shaped curve. Okay, so drag and drop this. Okay, and what we do is we need to run it. When we run it, it'll then show us a screen which is interactive, where you can create charts on the fly. Alright, run completed. Now let's take a look at the results screen. Digital doodling. Okay, alright. Multiplot. Let's see. Let me use a different tool. Graph Explore. I should have chosen Graph Explore. That was the one that would let me explore different graphs. And okay, it's loading. I connect this to here. I delete that. then I run it. Is it running? Hello? Okay, it's running now. Okay, here we have it. And let's take a look at the results of Graph Explorer. Alright, now this one has a little tool that lets you create plots. So go ahead and click on that. And let's first create a chart between the income and frequency restaurant. Scatterplot. Income on the x-axis, frequency restaurants on the y-axis. That's what it looks like. Let's do one more. This time between the predicted odds ratio and income. Income is x-axis. Frequency restaurant probability as y, and income on the x-axis. Click next, next, finish. There it is. So there you have it. That's a S-shaped curve. Tells you the results of the logistic regression, and also the predicted value of probabilities are shown here. We have the actual data, and these are the predicted values. Alright, so also each time you select a row, it gets highlighted on the graph. It's kind of that's why it's called Graph Explorer. Alright, there you have it. So that's the way you can do a simple logistic regression using SAS data miner. And at this point, if I want to save this, let me see what options I have for saving. I can print the graph. It goes directly to my printer, or I can print it to a PDF writer, and it might just save only this chart. I'm not sure which one is going to save. And also I can see the that's done. Now let me go ahead and save this one too, or print it as a PDF. And let me go to the other window, click on that and print it to my PDF writer. Let me call this Logistic Regression Result 3. Okay, now let's take a look at those files. Alright, that looks like the outcome of the logistic regression. And this is the original data. and this is frequent restaurants. I don't know how to interpret that. Alright, now I can close this. Okay, I'm back here, and let me see if we can save the report. Okay, view project log. Logs doesn't show you the result, just information about the runs that we did. Alright, if you wanted the actual regression, you would go to the results of regression. I think. Okay, still waiting. There it is. So on this page, notice output. So this output, if I want to save this file, oops, here it is. I can just go to file, save as, and this could be LST file, which is a simple text file. .lst. LST is list. Those days, print outputs are called lists. There we go. Okay. Save this. So it's saved, and that's the end of it. All right. Thank you.